How to hide your Instagram story from specific people. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram story from specific people without unfollowing or blocking them. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap your profile picture, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Story, Live, and Location. Next, tap Hide Story and Live From. You'll now see a list of your followers and other accounts that can view your stories. Simply select the people you want to hide your Instagram story from. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific account. Once you've made your selections, tap Done or Go Back to save the changes. The selected users will no longer be able to view your Instagram stories or live videos unless you remove them from the hidden list. That's it. You've successfully learned how to hide your Instagram story from specific people. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.